Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest cars in the market. Today we're going to be reviewing the Tata Punch, the latest addition to the Tata Motors family. Exterior. First, let's talk about the exterior of the car. The Tata Punch has a bold and muscular look with a dual-tone color scheme. It has a honeycomb grille with chrome accents, and projector headlamps with LED DRLs. The car sits on 16-inch wheels which give it a sporty look. The roof rails add to the rugged appeal of the car. Interior. Now, let's move on to the interior. The cabin of the Tata Punch is spacious and well-designed. It has a dual-tone dashboard with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The car has automatic climate control, power windows, and a rear-view camera. The seats are comfortable and come with adjustable headrests. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Tata Punch has a 1.2-liter petrol engine that produces 86 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional AMT. The car has a ground clearance of 188 mm, which makes it suitable for rough terrains. The car has a top speed of 155 km/h and can go from 0 to 100 km/h in 14 seconds. Safety features. Moving on to safety features, the Tata Punch has dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-speed alert system. The car also has a strong body structure that can withstand crashes and protect the passengers inside. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Tata Punch is a well-rounded car that offers a comfortable ride, good performance, and safety features at an affordable price. The car is ideal for small families and those who love adventure trips. So, if you're in the market for a compact SUV, the Tata Punch is definitely worth considering. Outro. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews. Let us know in the comments which car you want us to review next. See you in the next one.